Hey, it's Brian and Chase with the Midnight Mechanic.
Today we're going to be fixing my auxiliary fan because it's acting up and needs to be replaced. Alright, so there's supposed to be some screws here, but the person that owned this before us decided to put zip ties in for some reason. So yeah, we're just going to cut those, pop this out, undo this, and we'll pop the new one in.
You push the red tab over and then unplug it. Then you can pull it out. Here's the new fan versus the old fan here. The new one has different blades than this one, but it's set as a factory replacement and it has the same CFM as the other one. So we're gonna go ahead and install this new one, get it all plugged up. So the plug on the old fan is a different style than the plug on the new fan, but it came with an adapter harness, so be sure you have that installed if that's the wrong connector for your Jeep, which it probably is if you have a 99 XJ. So these little slots down here, there's one there, there's one over, you can't really see in the dark. That's where these bottom two ears sit in. So Chase is going to slide them down, get them in those little slots, and then get it reinstalled. So he's going to get it down there, those little ears on the bottom, he's going to get put down in those little slots. All right, now that he's got it all installed there, he's gonna go ahead and put the plug back in. Snap that little red tab over to keep it locked. Is that it? There you go. We'll eventually put the correct bolts on there. Know that yours probably has bolts here and not zip ties, but if you don't have bolts, zip ties work just like this.
Alright, so today we fixed my electric auxiliary cooling fan. It looked a little bit different, but it still fit, and we had to put our adapter on there. But we put the zip ties back, and it's all good to go.
Remember, a lot of times when you're working on cars, you may have previous owners' mistakes, like this with the zip ties. Sometimes they work, you just redo them. We'll fix them eventually. If you have anything else you'd like to learn about, any other tools you'd like to see, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Midnight Mech, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic. Check our other page out, Third Pedal Engineering, and we'll see you guys next time.